We have to know how the game is played, guys. And every market is manipulated. It ain't just silver and gold and precious metals. Every one of them have manipulation, and they're getting suppressed and stuff like that. All markets, stocks, real estate, other different commodities, even the cryptocurrencies. What I'm going to say in this video is not a diss or anything like that. I really believe in their cause, but short term, it hasn't been good. Okay, and I'm referring to the Wallstreetsilver over on Reddit. I love their energy. I love what they're doing, trying to defeat. Because we're the Davids and they're the Goliaths. We're trying to beat the big boys. With billions of dollars over at the COMEX, and the hedge funds and the government and the future traders and stuff like that. That's hard, man. It's hard to beat those guys. But I love the fact that they're bringing awareness to silver. I love the fact that they're taking stuff off the shelves. They're teaching people. They're inspiring people that were not, they weren't originally stacking silver, didn't know anything about silver, and then the old silver bugs that were stacking, and back in the days, and now they just were defeated and deflated, and now they came back and seen this movement, and now they reinvigorated. They got their energy back for it. And it's a really good thing. Hopefully long term, right? And I'll get into that later. But right now, short term, all that stuff is good, but the only thing that's hurting us is you awoken the sleeping giant, meaning you've let them know that you're coming, so we're not sneaking up on them anymore, and they know that we exist. Because Wallstreetsilver now on Reddit, pretty much anyone in the market that has anything to do with silver and what's going on with this market knows about Wallstreetsilver. And also, it's raised the prices of silver short term. I don't know long term how it's gonna go, but it's very eye opening. Okay, now you guys know my video yesterday that I sold some silver to get some currency to go get some Bitcoin, and I learned a lot. Again, shout out to Nick and Laura at the Nevada Coin and Jewelry. They treated me right. So this is not for them or about them. But when I was calling around and I was checking on prices, let's just say these silver coin shops, or these coin shop period, precious metal coin shops, were offering prices that didn't seem like there was a shortage, or didn't seem like premiums are really, really high. They're offering prices a little higher than what they probably normally would in a normal market before February hit this year, when the first Wall Street Reddit guys came out and did the silver squeeze. But the difference is big, man. These guys are offering spot, some under spot, just a little bit over spot, and we're talking about a market where we're paying for silver eagles. I mean, it's 13, 14, 15 bucks over spot just for the eagles. And then the regular generics are sometimes $7, $8. And then the other ones, the sovereigns, they could be $8, $9. Depends, 7, 6, 8, 9. Like, it's just crazy that the physical market is so much higher. And I talked to some of these guys, when they're quoting me these prices. And I'm like, well, wait a minute. You're going to turn around and sell this, this generic round for $34, but you only want to give me 26 or 27 for it, And listen, for the coin shops themselves, they're making a killing right now, and it's good for business for them. And I'm not going to accuse them of almost pretending like they really don't have any silver and it's a silver shortage, because to me, we should have created our own little niche and our own little market out of this, right? Meaning, forget the silver spot price, the paper price, make our own market and say, okay, silver right now, we're going to say it's $32 an ounce, or $30 or $31 an ounce, and we're going to charge $2 or $3 over spot price, right? But they're not doing that. They're looking at the paper spot price. They're looking at it at 27 or 26 or 28, whatever it is that day, and then they're adding 7, 8, 9, $10 to it. You know. Now I know they're going to get the best prices off of us when we go back and sell because we're just the consumers. You know, but it's a big margin, man, to me. And it almost makes you not want to buy silver, but it's just like, man, you know, why are you guys charging so much? Because if you're getting that off of me and then you turn around and selling that, it's crazy. Again, shout out to Nick and Laura. They gave me a really good price for my silver. So it's frustrating, man. You know, it's frustrating. You know, it really is. And I love what they're doing, the Wall Street Reddit, but it just makes you think like, because we don't know the future. We don't know what's going to happen. But this market is manipulated just like all the rest of them. And what's crazy is a very smart guy who studies the numbers and stuff like that, and I've been looking at this number. He said that if silver closes on Friday when the market closes, if it closes at $27.70, then that's when the prices are going to start going up. Well, the last couple of weeks, even when it's gone over 28, it's been the 27s and high 27s, it will not close over 27.70. I specifically looked for that number now, and this guy was really like good with his analytics. And I looked at what it closed at Friday, and it closed at $27.63. And I just shook my head. I said, "Wow, these guys are good, man. You know, these guys are really good at keeping the numbers down." And it was in the 28s on Thursday or Wednesday, something like that. So I say all that to say this, man. We don't know the future. I want to see how this plays out. I really do, man, because I love what Wallstreetsilver is doing. The problem is it's not their fault. I'm not blaming them. It's just that you're tapping and you're waking up the giant, man, the machine, and they know about us now, and they are doing everything they can to keep these prices down, despite the fact that every single thing is going up with inflation. You know, why are these commodities, silver and gold's gone up a little bit, but why is silver one of the most important, if I'm not saying the most important commodity, but one of the most important precious metals, if not the most important precious metal? Forget how you feel about gold. I'm talking about actual tangible things you use silver with. Why is it in the 20s? Why is it in the 20s when in 1980 it got up to 49 something, and in 2011 it got up to almost 50? You know, why is it 45 to 50% less than that? It's high 10 years, 31 years later, 41 years later. I don't get it. Why is that? Because it's manipulated, and we know that, and they suppress it and they keep it down. So we're sitting here saying that the price is going to go up and stuff like that, but I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm getting a little frustrated with this stuff, man. I really am. I really, really am, and it's just hard for me, to pay these prices. And I'm not a guy that's been here since the teens, when it was in the teens. I'm a guy that started when spot price was 24. I started in end of July of 2020, and when COVID was really, really hitting, the scamdemic was really hitting. And with these prices going, and I've seen prices drop to 22 and 23, and I paid $1.25 over spot. This is less than a year ago. This is 6 months ago, 9 months ago, or whatever. And it's just like, it's just frustrating to see these premiums, man. And I'm not mad at the dealers either. You know what I mean? I'm not. But I don't know what this game is, man. Is there really a silver shortage? Because if there is, when I call these coin shops, why are they offering me so little? They should be offering me a lot if they can't get it, right? That's how I feel about it. But I don't know. But guys, keep on stacking, no matter what you do. Keep on stacking. Even if you're not going to stack silver right now, and you want to wait for the premiums to go down, keep on stacking your goods and keep on stacking your fiat cash. That way you can buy on the dip. That's what I say. If you're not comfortable with buying silver, and I still buy a little here and a little there, but I'm very cautious because I don't want to get caught in the point of no return that I paid $8 or $9 in a premium that I can't get back later on. You know, I'm not saying silver is not going to go up. It definitely will, but within the next year or two, I don't know. I don't know. But we'll see, man. But if you're a long-term stacker and you're going to be stacking and holding for more than 5 years, this shouldn't be a problem. It really shouldn't, because it still should go up. But with these big boys, I don't know, man. They have a lot of interest not to keep it up or to keep the prices down, and we know what those interests are. So, all right, guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about that, about what I said about the premiums and the spot price and everything being suppressed, and how you feel about buying silver right now, and what do you think about the prices going up, Wall Street, Reddit, the coin shops, and what your stacking strategies are. Please, guys, leave me a comment in the comment section below. Do me a favor, guys. If you like this video, hit the like button. Only if you like it. If you dislike this video, hit the dislike button. But please tell me why. Don't just hit the dislike button. Tell me why. Do me a favor, guys. If you like my channel and my videos, share it for me. It would really mean a lot to me, so we can get this information out to people. If you got some value out of it, because we already know sharing is caring. And you guys also know I love you guys. I really do, man. And I really appreciate all the comments, and I'm learning from you guys a lot. And I appreciate it. Good and bad comments, positive or negative. I learn everything. I learn a lot from you guys. That's why I did this channel. All right. I'll talk to you guys so soon. Thank you so much for watching. I can't express it to you how much it means to me. I'll see you guys later. All right. Peace and love.